Hi you guys, I'm super excited to bring you a new video today. It is a heat wave here in San Francisco and I'm just gonna start doing my makeup straight away. So the first thing I'm gonna wanna do is put on my, I'm gonna go ahead and do a facial radiance pad by First Aid Beauty. And the reason that I like to use these is I like to just get off anything that is left on my skin, any residue. And actually I've been using a lot of tape on my face and sometimes there will be residue. That's like the worst, so I don't like that. So how is everybody doing today? I hope well. Life has been absolutely insane and I truly hope you guys are able to make sense of it and make some peace, learn and grow, but also at the same time, like, take care of yourself, because sometimes with everything going on in the world and you want to be everything to everybody, you can't. So hope you guys are all taking care of yourself. Okay, so first thing I am going to do is go in with my Go Pure Beauty Brighten and Even Serum Vitamin C. You guys all know that I've worked with Go Pure Beauty forever. And then their Hydrate and Smooth Serum, triple hyaluronic acids. And I have a coupon code and I will put these in. So I like to start with the Vitamin C Serum first. Seriously, cannot live without this. And also you guys, I've been doing favorites every month. So, whew. Oh, I need a fan. If you guys like the favorites, go ahead and put a comment below and I'll keep doing them, like my monthly favorites. And also if you're new here, have a lot of new subscribers, go ahead and click the bell button and subscribe, of course, but click the bell button so you'll get notified whenever a new video comes out. I've just been uploading whatever, so not only on Saturdays, sometimes I'll upload on other days, but if you guys really love what I'm doing, you want to see my photos that I post every day, Instagram is a place that I love the most, and also TikTok. I'm on TikTok, having a lot of fun there too. Ooh, those hot flashes are no joke. Okay, right after that, I'm going to go straight in with the vitamin C, and whew, go ahead and pat that all into my skin. And any remainder on the neck, of course. And it should be a little sticky to the touch, and that's good. Any extra, I rub all over my body. Like, don't waste it. And I like to set it with a fan. And again, this is my menopause fan. I cannot live without it. I think I've been using it for like 1.5 years now for my hot flashes. Currently, I'm having some extreme hot flashes. I don't know, it's just been rough. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is moisturizer. So let me get everything ready for you guys. I am going to use the Tatcha serum stick today. I love this thing and I forgot about it for a while. So I really like to focus right under the eyes, down the parentheses lines. And by the way, you guys, the 11 lines, as you can see, I really don't have an 11 anymore, and that's from taping my face. So I use facial smoothies, which I really love, and I also use frownies and CO patches too. And I really want to do a video on all three and tell you the pros and cons and all of them, because I get so many questions about it. So go ahead and put a comment below if you're interested in that video, and I will go ahead and do that next. Woo! Sweating. And I'm going to go ahead and use the water cream by Tatcha today instead of the dewy skin cream, just because I'm going to go out. It's a heat wave and I'm going to be using a sunscreen, and it's quite moisturizing, that sunscreen. You guys, I moved all my makeup around. Me and my daughter fixed it, and then actually, like, I can't find anything. So how about that? Okay, next. Okay, my skincare is done and I have my fan here just kind of letting everything seep into my skin. The next thing I'm going to do is use the Skin Perfecting Veil by City Beauty. I love this stuff. It's 39 SPF, and it is the last product that you put on before you do your makeup, and I am loving this. I found some other products, and honestly, you guys, they balled up when they mix with other makeup, and it was really bad. So I found that this one works really well. I'm gonna go ahead and put it everywhere that the sun is gonna hit, and I wanna protect. I have a lot of melasma here and here, so I wanna go over that immediately. Okay, my skin is prepped, and now I'm ready for makeup. Okay, so here's the Changemaker Micellar Water Foundation from Bite Beauty. Love it. I'm gonna put about that much on my hand, and then I'm gonna mix it with a glow product, which I love doing. Oh my God, I forgot to do my lips. I'll do that in a minute. This is the e.l.f. Glow product, and I'm just mixing the two together. And what that's gonna allow me to do is just get a little bit more glow, because I do find that this foundation is a little bit matte. So I'm gonna use a wet beauty blender and go ahead and start getting that foundation all over my face. And I'm gonna focus right around here where I have all the melasma. I really don't have it anywhere else, so I just wanna cover up that space first. And with a wet beauty blender, oh my God, you guys, you're just gonna find that it goes on utterly flawless. You guys might ask me about this palm print, so I'm gonna let you know it's by Kitsch, and I'll link it below. How cute is it? Oh my God, I have so many of these. I have from Aquish, also a few from Aquish, and I love them just while you're doing your makeup, and then your hair is like half dry when you take them out. I also like to matte out my lips. I don't like those to have any color on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a little of that, a little more, and blot them out just a touch. So as you can see, the coverage is pretty light, and I have that glow from the e.l.f. and that's what I'm looking for. So for today, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD, I think it's called the Self Setting Concealer. And this is in 30.5. I'm gonna be pretty generous with it. One, because I just really have not been sleeping at all. My menopause symptoms and my menopause hot flashes and night sweats have been pretty intense lately, so I really haven't been getting a lot of sleep at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and start blending that out with that same wet beauty blender. And I do change up the way I do my concealer quite a bit, so this is what I'm doing recently. And then I want to immediately set that with powder, you guys. If you don't set it with powder, it's going to crease. So really important to set it with powder. I've also saw that you can use like, I'm gonna bring this light all the way up. I also saw that you can use setting spray prior to the setting powder to really keep it going all day, but definitely set the face. You can use any powder, but I'm gonna be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powder to set my concealer in place. Let me know what you guys think. I'm actually filming on my phone, but I'm using different lighting. I bought different bulbs because I found it was too like saturated and like orange. So let me know if this is any more better for the lighting. All right, face is done. Now let's go contour. I would use the cream contour stick by Wet n Wild today just for something a little bit different. Just the tiniest bits around here. I'm just gonna bring like literally 2 lines down my nose, and if it's messy, it's okay because these blend out really well. So can you guys see what I did? I just went a tiny bit here. I have high cheekbones already, so I don't want them to be even more intense than they need to be, but I'm definitely cutting up that jaw a little bit and the nose, the tip there. Can you see that? Now let's blend it out. I'm going to be using a Moda brush to blend. All the way around. I have been known to not blend enough, so, and then I can see afterwards, so I want to make sure I really blend it out. Always blend up, do not drag it down. Blend the contour up. It's so nice, you guys, to have heat waves in San Francisco because it never is hot here. So when we get hot here, we get excited. We get so excited. I'm wearing shorts today, and maybe I'll show you what those shorts look like because me and my daughter actually made them together. You guys, I just realized we're at 10 minutes, so I might want to speed this video up a little bit. I don't want you guys here forever. I'm gonna actually set my face with Rimmel, and this is just a bronzer. Actually setting that cream contour so it doesn't move all day. I'm gonna go in with my brows and get out of here under 20 minutes. Go in with the Kat Von D Blood Milk blush. I've been really, really loving blushes, you guys, lately. Make sure to tap it off because this stuff is intense, but me and my daughter have really been loving, well, she's really into blush. The young folks are really into blush these days. So luckily I have a teenage daughter, so we get to learn together. And if it gets too much, we'll blend it out later, but like it. I really want this to be a simple look today, so I'm just using a copper baked bronzer. I got this for like $2 at the 99-cent store. These, you can get these at e.l.f. though. You can add water, but I'm just gonna do mine dry, and I'm actually just gonna put it right over the top of the lid. Pack it on. This is such a easy eyeshadow look. We are not trying to do a full look. Well, I'm not, at least. Not today. I think I'm gonna go take a long walk in quarantine and maybe meet my mom or a friend, do some grocery shopping, which to me is quite a chore because when I come home, I wash everything. There we go. And that's it. I might add a little bit of brown on the outer corner just to snatch up the eye. Okay, I'm gonna use my Shades by Shan eyeshadow quad palette. I love this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use that dark brown on the outer corner with a small e.l.f. brush, which is like $1. This e.l.f. brush, or was it? Yeah, it was an e.l.f. brush. I'm like literally just going on that outer corner. Do you see that? Just really focusing all that color on that outer corner in V, because if I don't, my eyes turn down and I want them to turn up. You know what I mean? It also depends on the shape of your eye, and then I'm just gonna slightly blend her out. I'm still filming? Okay, 12 minutes. I also wanna do my hair for you guys, so I'm gonna have to edit this video down. But you guys always ask me for a full makeup look. You want the whole thing and not the sped up version, so I hear you. I just feel like, gosh, it's so long. Do you sure you want to watch all this? But you're like, yeah. You guys, all of you who have been with me for so long, just thank you so much. Thank you so much. Because I'm definitely a little bit different than the other over 50 influencers, and I love them all. And I've actually become friends with a lot of them. It's just so nice on Instagram. But just the fact that you guys have been with me from the beginning, from 5 years ago, just thank you so much. Really, it is so appreciated. From the bottom of my heart, really. Thank you guys. All right, we're gonna move on to brows. Okay, for brows today, I'm using my favorite Kat Von D, and I believe this is in medium brown. I've actually been throwing out all my old brow products that just don't work for me because I really feel like the only thing that really gives me the brows that I want is this and the Benefit Precisely My Brow, and I use 3, and then this in medium brown. I kind of just do not mess around with anything else. I kind of feel like I've wasted a lot of my money trying to get like an inexpensive dupe of this. And really, when it comes to brows, it's the formula and the color. And these just go on little strokes. It makes it really easy for me, especially since I'm growing out my brows. So, and I don't want to go too crazy. I just want to fill them in those little bits where I need them the most, which is really up in the front. And then I'm just kind of trying to let them be a little bit natural other places, but this is where I really tweeze them so much. So I'm going to really fill this area in the most. But yeah, so this is Signature Micro Pencil from Kat Von D, or KVD Vegan Beauty. And then the other would be Precisely My Brow by Benefit, are my 2 favorites. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend them out. I'm dropping everything. Mascara I'm using today is Wander Beauty, and this is called Volume and Curl Mascara. I just absolutely love it. So I'll go ahead and do my lashes now and come right back. Don't you just love mascara? It just like changes up everything, even though so many of my lashes have broken. Even just the little bit of mascara, it's everything. Love it. Okay, I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder to highlight my favorite part of every look. Cheekbones, I like to do right in the center, right a little bit here, on my nose, Cupid's bow, shoulder, because I think I'm gonna go sleeveless today. Yes, you can even go on the collarbone. That's the face. Okay, I'm gonna spritz my face with Lila Bee Aglow face mist. You guys, this has gotta be one of my most favorites. I think this was in one of my favorites videos. Just love it, brings the glow back. And now I'm gonna do my lipstick and my hair. Kat Von D in Noble, KVD Vegan Beauty. Oh my good God, I love it. Color of my dreams, but I'm gonna line it. And what I'm gonna use is by Shades by Shan. Oh no, this is not from Shades by Shan. Is this from Laura Mercier? No, it is by Shades by Shan. Shades by Shan. This is really pretty pink, and let me blend it. All right, you guys, I went and blended out that lip. That's about it. Now I'm gonna take my hair out, and I am going to use, these are two of my new favorites, the Better Not Younger No Remorse Heat Protection and Taming Spray, so I don't get heat damage, because I've been curling my hair a lot, using a lot of blow drying, and obviously we want to protect it, but this is what I love the most. Better Not Younger Lift Me Up Hair Thickener. I like to spray it right in the root. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably see that this is how I get some volume and length. I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out. Of course, I have a coupon code for you guys. I'll put all the links below in the description. All right, you guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you really, really liked it. A different lighting, still me and my vanity, just doing my kind of everyday, super simple makeup. I have sunscreen on, which is really important. I'll probably still wear a hat because I do not want sun to touch my face, but that's a look. See, my hair is nice and big using those Better Not Younger products, and I just blew it out. I didn't even use a round brush, so really like that. Hope you guys love this video. Please subscribe here so we can grow, continue to grow, and I can keep bringing you guys videos. And please follow me on Instagram, where I post every single day, and on TikTok, where I kind of make a little bit of a fool out of myself, which of course I love. You guys are the best. Thank you so much, and I will hot flash, having a hot flash. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Here's with some natural light.